today we're going to go check out Port Mahon. It snowed like a few days ago, so we're going to see how it looks in this type of conditions. I'm pretty sure I can get back there at 4-wheel drive, but just stick along and stay for the adventure. So we have made it back here, and it looks like majority of the snow has melted. Road is very rough back here. Yeah, it's very bumpy back here, but yeah, majority of the snow is gone. I don't see much. I was hoping to get some very good pictures of the snow-covered rocks and, you know, just all of this being covered. So it is freezing out here, so I decided to put my other jacket on that's a little bit more heavier. So this is a view here. I'm gonna walk this a little bit and drive it a little bit as well. All of these out here, I think that was a dock at one point, and it's all ruined. But this is a beautiful place for sunsets. A lot of people come out here fishing. I fished out here a little bit, but I didn't catch anything, so maybe next time I come out here I will catch something. That is my adventure pilot right there. I think gets me through everything. And I'm glad you guys are here and along with me on this journey here. I plan on doing more stuff like this, going to more scenic places and traveling farther out of my state as well. Since we're by the water, it's just so much colder out here than being more inland. And I can carefully walk up here. Carefully. I got my hiking boots on. And give you guys a better shot. The view is beautiful. Alright, so I hope you guys are enjoying these beautiful views. I'm gonna walk back to the adventure pilot right there, and we're gonna drive down a little farther and see what we see. Alright, so we're driving along farther back here. I got my seatbelt on now so you don't have to hear that dinging sound. Before I didn't have my seatbelt on because this road here is very private and rural. There's not too much that goes on back here. And if you look to your right, I'm not sure if you can see it yet, but there is actually a ship up here, which I've never seen one dock there before, so that's pretty cool. Hopefully it should be coming visible now to you guys. That's pretty cool. I've never seen a ship there before. speed bumps here are horrible. Typically in the summertime, you see people fishing here. You see people just, hanging out here, crabbing or anything like that. At nighttime, you can come here at night and see a lot of the stars, but it's not recommended to come here at nighttime because it's security risk is what it says on the website. They pretty much tell you not to come back here alone. I have been back here alone, and it is a little bit eerie coming here alone at night because there's cars come. I think it was about midnight when I came back here one day, and there was cars, just randomly coming back here, stopping. Some seemed to be like watching me. I don't know. It was a little bit eerie. There was one guy that actually parked down a ways, and it looked like he was walking towards me. I was out here doing some astrophotography and getting pictures of the stars, but the one guy that I seen kind of creeped me out, so I was like, let me leave. And I guess this is why you should not be back here alone at night. And people come out here and night fish, so it's not anything nefarious all the time, but you just never know. Especially with this day and age, just not somewhere you want to be at night. It's very, it's away from everything. It's very rural. I think I'm gonna get out right here and give you guys a closer look at this right here. All right, we are outside of the car. I just want to give you guys a closer look of everything out here. And this is actually, all this back here is pretty much abandoned. This is just ruins of what used to be here. You can see just cinder blocks and all kind of things as far as your eye can see. I'm going to carefully try to walk up here. I have to come out here again when it is definitely around sunset. It is very beautiful, even with the ruins. All right, so I'm gonna walk back to the car, and we're gonna keep driving. This is what I have to walk through. Be careful. It's just about where you're placing your foot is all. There you go. It's starting to get a bit muddy here. So there was a time that I got some very good photography from out here. This right here, I don't know what it is, this piece of concrete here, I got some very good shots of that with the sunset. And a random chair. A random chair in the middle of this. Strange. I guess you could sit here and watch the sunset, I guess. But this is another pull-off spot you can kind of walk to. It's pretty neat. A lot of shells. This is pretty cool. If you know what this piece of concrete is, comment it below and let me know. But we're gonna keep exploring. This is a place I've been many times. The rest of this is probably water. I can't go too much farther than this. As you guys can see, it's just a lot of concrete. Check it out. I found these shells out here. Pretty cool. So we're gonna check out what's down this way. Over there is where we just came from with the chair that's randomly here. And we're gonna walk down this way and see where it goes and what's back this way. I know some of this is like people's private area, but those are the ones over that way that have like a gate. This one is not gated, so I'm fine. This area here is pretty muddy, and I just rather not chance it. There's no point in taking a risk of getting back here, parking back here, and with the possibility of getting stuck. Right, so you see that area across from us is where I was talking about, where that's someone's boat, and that area is private, so we cannot get over that way. But yeah, it's just more ruins out here. And I forgot to mention, when you're out here in the summertime, it is horrible because they have these horse flies out here, and they are huge and they will bite you. I had some bite me so many times I ran back to the car. So it's not pleasurable all the time out here during the summertime. We turn the camera around, and just more and more ruins everywhere. I am being careful. That's where we came from. You can't even see the car anymore, but we're behind that. Some of these shift on you, so you have to be very careful. So I couldn't catch that with my GoPro, but check it out, guys. There's a bald eagle up here. I didn't expect for this to happen, but hey, I haven't seen one in a while. Most of the time I see one is like on the side of the road somewhere, but that's every once in a blue. So this is awesome that we were able to catch this, and I was able to put this in the video. That is awesome. I use this because I can get more, I use my phone for this shot here because I can get more zoom out of it, and it's working great. Wow. Alright guys, this is the last leg of the trip here. We saw an American bald eagle here. It is still up there, but I can't get it up here with the GoPro, but it's on that pole right there. I got some shots on my phone that I just included before this section of the video here, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. That was something that I wasn't expecting. So this is just the end of it here, and we're just gonna walk out to this dock and see the water here. Just wanted to bring you guys down here with me. It is very cool to see how this water is frozen here. You can see it flowing out there, and then you don't see it flowing here. I got some shots on my phone with it. I'm also gonna grab my my Sony camera and get some shots. But I see some opportunities here for some beautiful pictures. This is all still frozen. Nature is beautiful no matter what season you're in. You can find beauty in nature. In summer, spring, winter, even if it's 100 degrees, you can find some kind of beauty in nature anywhere you go. And I love it. All right, everyone, this is the end of the video. And if you made it this far, thank you. Thank you for following me along on this journey out here. We've seen some great views today, even an unexpected one. It's beautiful out here, even though it's gray skies, but I'm still loving it. Thank you all for the follows, the likes, the comments. It really helps the algorithm for me. You guys are great, and thank you for another adventure coming along with me. So until next time, peace.